this video I'm going to prove it to you that you don't have to believe in it. If you just focus on it, like just focus, then you can manifest it. Okay, so I am out and about on a trip with the key of my room in my hand, and this is the backyard. It's yeah, it's beautiful. There's my friend, she's on a swing. Anyways, so yeah, I just want to give you an example and prove it to you that you don't have to believe in it. Like, manifestation is so easy, it's literally effortless. Like, it is as easy as breathing, like quite literally. You don't have to do anything, and manifestation is not hard at all. I'll explain to you with the cheesecake theory. The grass is too deep, let me go to somewhere else. Okay, so the grass is deep everywhere. But it's beautiful. Look at this, the flowers. And anyways, so oh, my friend is singing, let me go somewhere far. Let me find a good spot for you guys. Oh wow, oh fuck, ouch. I found a flat ground, I think. Yes, this is perfect. So what happened with me just few days ago is that it was Raksha Bandhan. So I'm living in Canada and my brother is back in India. Raksha Bandhan is basically a festival between brothers and sisters, and I always tie Rakhi to him, but this time I was away and I was like, I need to send him Rakhi. And I know that he loves cheesecake. I don't like cheesecake, but I mean, it's okay, but it's his favorite. So I wanted to send him a Rakhi, and I also wanted to send him a cheesecake, just as a present, uh, a token of love, something like that. So yeah, I was talking to my friend that please send my brother cheesecake because he loves it on Raksha Bandhan. And I remember and she kept asking me that, okay, which type of cheesecake, from which bakery, like how much, 250 grams, 500 grams. So for 2 days, yeah, for 2 days I was telling her that, oh, this much cheesecake, oh, this bakery stuff. I was saying cheesecake, cheesecake, cheesecake all the time, I didn't want cheesecake. I was just focused on it because I wanted my brother to have it. So what happened later on is that my friend was like, my roommate, she's also my friend. So I was talking to her and she was like, let's go shopping. And I was like, okay, I'll go shopping with you. I didn't have to buy anything, but I went with her. And then I ended up grocery shopping and stuff. And so she wanted to buy some clothes, so she went into another store and I went into Walmart. I started grocery shopping, and then we met again. And she was like, I have something. And I was like, okay, what? And oh fuck, the bugs. Anyways, and I was like, what is that? And she had a cheesecake in hand, like a giant slice of cheesecake, and she was like, you have to eat it with me, I cannot finish it on my own. And I was like, okay. And I was so freaked out because, like, okay, cheesecake, I didn't ask for it, but I got it. It was delicious. I ended up having a good time. So yeah, I was happy about that. But the next day she was like, my friend was like, there is this new desert cafe that has opened and I really want to try the pancakes. Would you come with me? And I was like, yeah, I also want to try pancakes. Sure, like I would come with you. And the desert cafe was amazing, and they were giving free cheesecake with the pancakes. Apparently it was a new desert cafe, so they were just giving free cheesecake to people who were buying their pancakes. Again, I got cheesecake, I didn't ask for it. I was telling my mom the next day, I was also talking to my mom and I was telling her that, mom, I'm going to send a cheesecake, like look out for a cheesecake because I'm going to send a cheesecake for my brother. And she was like, okay, okay, fine. Again, cheesecake. Like, I ate cheesecakes 2 times in a row. Did I ask for it? No. I wasn't even manifesting it. I didn't even want it. I do like it. But I was like, I wasn't manifesting it. I was just focused on it because I wanted to send a cheesecake to my brother. So I didn't actually have to believe in it. Oh, this is a nice place. I think I want to sit here. So this is like literal proof that you don't have to believe in anything. Like, you don't have to believe in it to manifest it. And it is literally easy. It was just because I had a lot of thoughts about cheesecake and I was focused on cheesecake, and the whole day I was like, cheesecake, I want to send a cheesecake to my brother. And I was just talking about it with my mom, I was talking about it with my friend. I really want to send that cheesecake, and I was focused on it. And so I manifested it like 2 times. Did I pay for it? No, for free. And I was so freaked out. Like, I was like, why am I attracting cheesecakes? And then it came to my mind that, oh, I'm actually focused on cheesecake. And that's why I'm attracting cheesecake. This is how manifestation works. I have made a video on it. I will link it up somewhere here just for more clarification if you want to learn more about it. But it's just that you have to focus on it. Like, whatever you want. For example, if you are trying to manifest an SP, then you just focus on it. Focus on your feelings, focus on how you would feel when you meet him, how you would feel being in a relationship with him, how would you feel when he proposes you. Like, visualize all of that. If you can't visualize, affirm. Like, focus on it, in some way. Just focus on it, and that's it. That's all you need to do. And it is already done. Like, whenever you are doing your techniques, before that, repeat this to yourself that it is already done. Like, I already have it, I already got it. Because you already got it. If you can't see any movement in your 3D right now, it's because it is the result of your past thoughts. Like, I'm here right now, I'm enjoying. This is the result of my past thoughts. Like, in the past I've had good thoughts, and that's why I'm on this trip, and I'm having such amazing experience. You know what I mean? And if you're having a bad experience right now, if you've broken up, or if your SP is not texting you back, then it is because of your old thoughts. Like, what happened, it's like what happened yesterday. It's already gone. It's your past. So why would you care about that? When you start changing your thoughts right now in this moment, you would start getting positive results. Oh my god, there was a butterfly. It was light blue. That's rare, right? So 3D doesn't matter, movement doesn't matter. And I always get this type of comments, some people complaining that I'm not getting results, but I didn't get results. it's it depends on your manifesting abilities, depends on how much you can focus, how much you believe in yourself, and how quickly you believe that it is already done. It is already done. You don't have to wait for results. Like, I am in Canada right now. Am I going to go outside 5 minutes every 5 minutes and see that am I in Canada or not? Do I check my current location to make myself believe that, oh, I'm in Canada, I'm in Canada? I am in Canada. I know that I'm in Canada. It is already done. So, like, I don't have to convince myself. I don't have to keep repeating the same things. I already know. That's it. So whenever you have doubts, start affirming, start visualizing. Just know that it is already done, because in another parallel reality you already have it. You're happily married to your SP. In that reality, you are a millionaire. In that reality, you have all the desires that you ever want. It is already done. It is already done. I don't know in which way I should explain to you guys, because it is that simple. That manifestation is so easy. You just have to focus on it, and that's it. Let me give you another live demo. I want this video to finish in 15 minutes. I don't want it to be too long. Let's manifest something together. Let's manifest a cake. You don't want a cake right now, and that's okay. But we are going to manifest it anyway, just to prove that it is so easy. So sit down somewhere, lie down, sit back somewhere comfortable and quiet. Use noise cancelling headphones if you can. And or if you are in a public place, then pause this video and come back to it later. That's fine. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this meditation. Anyways, it's so amazing. Let's close our eyes. Close your eyes, take a deep breath with me. Hold. Now exhale. Exhale for a long time. Now put your hand over your chest, over your heart, and take another deep breath with me. Keep your eyes closed. Keep listening to me. Take another deep breath. Hold. Now exhale for a long time. Relax your body, shake your shoulders, stretch your shoulders, wiggle your fingers, your toes. Give it a little bit of movement. Stretch your body, relax. Everything is great. Your body is relaxed. Your mind is calm and quiet. It's all good. Your body is relaxed. Now, let's visualize something together. Someone comes and give you a cake, and you think that, oh my god, I didn't even ask for this cake, but okay, I really want to taste it right now. Like, I wonder how it tastes. I wonder if I like the flavor. I'm really grateful that I got the cake. You take the cake in your hand. You take the cake in your hand. You can feel the soft texture of it, like it's soft. There is bread in the bottom, and there is something soft over it. Is it chocolate or strawberry, or is it vanilla? You wonder how it is going to taste. You take it in your hand, it is soft, and you bring it closer to your mouth, and you take a bite of it, and the flavor explodes in your mouth. It is delicious, you realize. You're trying to think what flavor it is. There are so many flavors. It is a little bit of chocolate, there is vanilla. The bread is so soft and fluffy. The cake is amazing. You're so happy that you had this cake. You keep eating it, you keep munching on it. It is delicious. And you take another bite and it is even more delicious. You love this flavor. You ask that person that which flavor is this? Like, I want to buy another cake of this flavor. I need to know the flavor because it is so delicious and amazing. You have never tasted anything like it because it is so good. And you're so happy that you got to eat this cake. And you eat another bite and you finish the entire slice, and it was so delicious. You can feel it. There's a little bit of cake over your lips and you lick it, and the flavor was so amazing. You finish the entire slice and you feel so satisfied and happy. Now slowly open your eyes gently. As you open your eyes, adjust to your surroundings. You're back again. Flex your fingers, flex your toes, stretch your shoulders, give it a little bit of movement. And that's it, you are back. But yeah, you just manifested a cake. It is yours now. Yeah, it is already done. I Please comment down below what you felt and what happened with you, and any questions that you have, because I would love to like answer your questions. I love talking to you guys in my comment section, and wow, it makes me so happy. I recently posted one video and it got 1000 views in one day. Like, that's insane. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. Anyways, my message is manifestation is easy. It is not hard. It is already done. Guys, it is already done. We are already living our dream life. Everything is already amazing. Anyways, I'll be back with another cool video very, very soon. Do you see that flowers? Where are the flowers? Yeah, the flowers. They are so pretty. Yeah, I'll be back with another cool video very, very soon. Till then, happy manifesting.